Let's start. So viruses, their outer covering we call the capsid, center part we call core. This capsid, which is made up of protein. Capsid is made up of protein. Okay, that's why Stanley told this viruses are made up of largely of proteins because their main body is made up of protein. Next, after that, that entire protein structure, this entire protein structure we call capsid. If you can make out over here, individual structures are present over here. This individual protein units we called capsomere. See over here in this round shape, right? So these are capsomeres which are made up of protein. All capsomeres unite to each other and it will form capsid. Next, after that, core part. Core part in which the genetic material is present. Core part in which genetic material is present. Genetic material either RNA or DNA. See over here, DNA, here RNA, here again DNA, right? Some of the viruses has genetic material as RNA, some of the viruses have genetic material as DNA, right? Next, after that, so this capsid part, which is a protein coat made up of small subunits we call capsomeres. This one makes a protective covering structure. So it protects what? It protects the genetic material. It protects the genetic material which is enclosed inside it. Next, these capsomeres are arranged. Due to the arrangement of capsomeres, if you can make out over here, the different shapes of the viruses are formed. So these capsomeres are arranged in helical form or polyhedral geometric. Next, viruses contain genetic material. Either it could be DNA, it could be the RNA. Viruses, basically same like a ribosome if you remember. In that nucleic acid rRNA था and protein. So यहाँ पे भी same either RNA or DNA plus protein coat. So we can say that viruses are nucleoprotein structure. Viruses are nucleoprotein structure, and viruses cause the infection into the host. So their viruses cause the infection. Exactly which part of the virus structure cause the infection? Their capsid or genetic material. So remember, their genetic material. This genetic material enter into the host cell and use the cellular machinery of the host cell to make their own replica, and which cause the infection, damage the host cell, and in a way kill the host. This much information clear first of all. Next, viruses are of three types. Some of the viruses which infect the plants, so that we call plant viruses. Some of the viruses that infect animals, so we call animal virus. Some of the viruses infect bacteria. They infect the bacteria even. So we call that we call bacterial virus, or else we called bacteriophage. Remember, this term is very important, bacteriophage. Either we call bacterial virus or we call bacteriophage, right? Next, bacteriophage definition, remember, viral infected bacterial cell. याद नहीं रहता है, note down. Viral infected bacterial cell we call bacteriophage. Right? So plant viruses, animal viruses, and bacteriophage or bacterial viruses. Now, plant viruses have RNA as a genetic material. Animal viruses has DNA as a genetic material, and bacteriophage same DNA. Right? Next thing that see plant viruses, most of the majority of the plant viruses have RNA as a genetic material. एक एक्सेप्शनल है, याद रखना. कॉलीफ्लावर मोजेक बेसिस. जैसे टोबैको में इफेक्ट होता है तो वी कॉल टोबैको मोजेक बेसिस. दिस वन कॉलीफ्लावर, राइट? सो कॉलीफ्लावर के लीव्स को अगर अफेक्ट करता है वी कॉल कॉलीफ्लावर मोजेक बेसिस. That or cauliflower mosaic virus, that name, which has DNA as a genetic material. Plants generally have RNA, but this one has DNA as genetic material. Right? Next thing, plant viruses. So you know one of the example that tobacco mosaic virus, in short we call TMV. Then this one cauliflower mosaic virus, CMV. Animal viruses. बोलिए, आप एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो मुझे एनिमल वायरसेस के? आई एम एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू. वेरी इजी. बोलिए कीर्तन.
मैम तो कोरोना वायरस और दूसरा
Yes,
पोलियो.
corona virus. Okay, then next.
मैम पोलियो वायरस.
Yes, polio. Poliomyelitis. It's a virus. Okay, so one polio, second well-known corona, right? Then आपको कोल्ड होता है, कोल्ड के टाइम में क्या बोलते हैं? वायरल इन्फेक्शन है, ऐसा बोलते हो ना, राइट? So that is rhinovirus. That virus name rhino. Rhinovirus, which cause common cold. फिर फ्लू है, इन्फ्लुएंजा, right? Then even mumps, ori. Okay, in Gujarati we call ori, mumps, then smallpox, even herpes. Herpes आपने सुना होगा. Okay, herpes, it's a viral disease. Herpes simplex virus है, which affects our skin. Okay, which affects our skin. So, and yes, one more, that's a HIV virus, AIDS. HIV virus, human immunodeficiency virus. AIDS के persons जो होते हैं उनकी immunity very very low. That's why that virus name given human immunodeficiency virus. Just imagine immunity अगर low है, so other diseases, other viruses, bacteria can infect that person, right? So examples of animal viruses, remember rhinovirus, polio, corona, AIDS के लिए HIV, flu viruses are there, right? Then phages के लिए अगर है, then remember example, just now remember just example, लैम्बडा फेज होता है एक, उसका नेम है लैम्बडा फेज वायरस, T2 वायरस, T4 वायरस, जो बैक्टीरिया को इन्फेक्ट करते हैं. Next, virus causes is diseases like mumps, smallpox, herpes, influenza, and AIDS. In plants, the symptoms can be mosaic formation. Okay, I have told you that. See, in plants, symptoms in a form of which one? Mosaic. This type of mosaic pattern is formed when viral infection occur in plants. Leaf may, one thing, that's a mosaic formation. Second, it may cause leaf rolling and curling. Just imagine this leaf is there, it's an open one, right? But suppose this leaf now curl, then when leaf curling occur, so the area which get the sunlight for photosynthesis, that is reduced. Enough amount of food cannot be formed, and gradually that plant death occur. Plant death meaning what? Their the plant parts, okay, they become dry. They start becoming dry. That we call the plant death. Next, after that, leaf rolling, curling, then yellowing and vein clearing. Leaves become yellowish in color because some of the virus in plants affect the chloroplast. It shows the degradation of chloroplast. It damages the structure of chloroplast. So if chloroplast structure is damaged, then in that chlorophyll pigment cannot remain. So gradually it will turns into yellowish in color. Next, vein clearing, meaning this vein structures, okay, that start disappearing. Then dwarfing and stunted growth. Dwarfism meaning plants length cannot be increased. Shortness, dwarfness. Plants length cannot be increased. Stunted growth inhibit. These are the symptoms of plant viruses. Mosaic formation on leaf, leaf rolling, curling, yellowing and vein clearing, buffing and stunted growth. So this much information for viruses. Clear है? Last one for virus, that tadpole-like virus. Here the main capsid in which this DNA genetic material is enclosed. Then stalk-like structure sheath is present, and then their tail fibers. Generally, this is the structure of bacteriophage. This is the structure of bacteriophage. With the help of these tail fibers, it attaches, suppose over here, this is the bacteria. With the help of this tail fiber, it attaches to this bacteria and gradually it releases that genetic material into the bacteria. This sheath, okay, outer covering is a hard, but inner actually hollow structure. So this genetic material is passed from head to sheath to the host. Okay. This one is the bacteriophage structure. Next, okay, viruses in बोलिए ज़ील, आपको क्या डाउट है?
मैम ये सेल को भी ऐसे ही मतलब फैच कर लेते होंगे ना इनके
हाँ,
वो
cells?
नीचे के सेल्स को टेल अपने टेल्स फाइबर से फैच कर लेते होंगे ना.
हाँ, host cells जो होते हैं उसको see this tail fibers helps into attach the host cell, and this tail fibers even helps into make a small gap piercing to the host cell so that easily it can pass their genetic material into the host cell.
Oh.
Next, after viruses like structures that we call viroids. Viruses like structures are there and that we call viroids. So viruses के लिए see, first of all virus is term, particularly viron term given by Pasteur. Then next, that's Ivansky made bacterial proof filter, right? And with the help of that, he made an extract in which that fluid is present, which cause the infection. That fluid name given Contagium vivium fluid by Bejernik. Then Stanley in 1935, he uh, he showed that viruses could be crystallized, and that crystals mainly made up of proteins. Next topic, then virus structure, capsid, outer core, outer region, that's a capsid, then inner core region in which genetic material is enclosed. Capsid is made up of protein. Genetic material is made up of nucleic acids. So virus is in a way we call nucleoprotein structure. Then some of the virus infect plants, some of them infect the bacteria, some of them infect the animals. So on the basis of that, three categories: plant virus, animal virus, and the bacterial viruses. Next, bacterial virus we call bacteriophage. Generally, plant viruses have RNA, bacterial viruses have DNA, and animal viruses have DNA. Okay, आपकी बुक में एक ये लिखा है that bacterial viruses have either single or double stranded DNA. यहाँ पे एक मिस्टेक है, डीएनए याद रखना, ये कोई भी फील्ड हो कहीं पे भी जाओ, डीएनए ऑलवेज डबल स्ट्रैंडेड, उसको ऐसे लिखते हैं, डीएस लिखते हैं शॉर्ट में, डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए, मीनिंग इन दिस वे डीएनए स्ट्रक्चर, राइट? एंड आरएनए ऑलवेज single stranded, SST, SS, RNA. RNA is a single stranded structure, just one strand is present. So animal viruses have either single stranded RNA or double stranded DNA. So animal viruses के genetic material में याद रखना RNA as well as DNA. RNA as well as DNA. आपको simple example अगर दूं, HIV virus, right? HIV virus which cause the AIDS to human animals, right? So in that RNA is a genetic material which is single stranded. पोलियो है, पोलियो अगेन ह्यूमंस एनिमल्स के लिए, तो उसमें डीएनए है. तो रिमेंबर, ये बुक में बाय मिस्टेकली प्रिंट होगा दैट एनिमल वायरसेस हैव आइदर सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड, ऐसा लिखा है, सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड और डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए. अंडरस्टैंड, सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए और डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए. क्लियर? Next topic, viroids. Next, viroids. Viroids are discovered by Diner in 1971. Theo Diner, properly नहीं आ रहा है, just a second. Now it's so viruses are discovered by Theo Diner in 1971. He discovered a new infectious agent that was smaller than viruses. See, बैक्टीरिया से स्मॉलर है वायरस, एंड वायरस से भी स्मॉलर क्या है, वायरॉइड्स. Viroids are smaller than virus he caused one disease in potato. Okay, you know the potato. Potato का जो structure है ना, actually the round structure which is the edible one, we eat the potato, right? That structure we call scientifically the term given tuber. Potato जो है, right? That we call tuber. Commonly we call potato, but actually scientific के form देखो तो वो tuber है. तो potato spindle tuber disease is formed, means in potato plant disease is caused by these viroids. Viroids, remember, they have only RNA as a genetic material. Viruses के पास क्या था? Some of the viruses either DNA or RNA. Here only one option, that is RNA. And this RNA are free. Free why? In case of viruses, capsid is present. This capsid, proteinaceous capsid, absent in case of viroids. It lacks the protein coat. So just some of the free RNA molecules are there which cause the disease. And these RNA are we called viroids. Their RNA has low molecular weight. Means virus का जो genetic material है, those viruses have RNA as a genetic material. Suppose ये RNA का virus का RNA है. This one is the viroid RNA. So viroid RNA, remember, they are very short in length. Means in that very few nucleotides are there. Here many. So अगर molecular weight देखो तो इसका ज्यादा है compared to this one. So that's why we call viroid RNA has low molecular weight compared to viruses. Viroid, remember, very much small information. Diner discovered this. They are just infectious agents, smaller than virus. They have only RNA, free RNA. They don't have protein coat. And their RNA compared to that viruses has low molecular weight. Example, potato spindle tuber disease, PST. शॉर्ट में इसको बोलते हैं PST disease. Clear? Now next, see अगर meet end होता है, please rejoin as early as possible. See in the notes which I have sent, in that one topic was not there, which was present, which is actually present in your new textbook that we call prions. So ये आपको textbook में से prepare करना है. Prions are again like this viruses. The one topic is prions in your textbook. In modern medicine, certain infections, particularly these prions, cause the disease related to nervous system. Prions cause disease related to nervous system. That's why we call neurological disorders disease. Were found to be transmitted by an agent consisted of abnormally folded protein. अगर आप वायरस देखो तो उसमें प्रोटीन है, डीएनए आरएनए सब था. वायरॉइड्स है उसमें प्रोटीन नहीं है, बट ओनली विच वन, आरएनए एज द जेनेटिक मटेरियल. प्रियॉन्स है तो उसमें ओनली क्या है, प्रोटीन्स, प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर्स. रिमेंबर प्रोटीन फोल्डिंग प्रोसेस means protein maturation, that ER to Golgi, these two transphase maturation occur and then mature protein released. If you remember, endomembrane system entire, right? So protein maturation meaning what? This is the simple protein structure. Now this protein undergoing this type of folding. So whenever during this folding some problem is there, then they become prions, which cause the disease. Then they become prions, which cause the disease, particularly cause which disease? Neurological disease. So they are proteinaceous molecule, abnormally folded proteinaceous molecules we call prions. This one has similar in size to viruses. Okay, so we can say that viroids are smaller than prions. Viroids are smaller than prions, yes or no? Right? Same, and viruses and prions have same size. The most notable diseases caused by prions are BSE. Okay, that we call the BSE. Maitri video on रखा है, mic off. So BSE that we call bovine spongiform encephalopathy. Bovines related to cattle. So ये cattle में this disease name commonly we call mad cow disease. Cattle के अंदर madness आ जाता है, that we call mad cow disease. Their brain part, okay, their brain part inflamed, swollen हो जाता है, swelling होता है उसमें. That is the encephalopathy. So bovine spongiform encephalopathy caused by prions in cattle, commonly we call mad cow disease. ये cattle के लिए. Same type of disease when occur into the humans by different strain, by different just modified prion. So that we call Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, CJD. In mammals, we call CJD, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. In humans, again related to nervous system, neurological disorder. See this picture. This is the normal prion, normal folding of protein. But when, if you can make out over here in this particular part, when folding, sorry, see, folding over here in this part and in this part, see, differences are there. Protein molecules folding, right? So when disturbance occur in protein folding, then normal protein prion structure convert into abnormal structure and which cause the disease, particularly neurological disorder. Understood prions? Anyone have a doubt in virus, viroids and prions? Remember in differences form. Ayushi, switch on your camera fast. Zil, बोलो.
मैम ये टेक्स्ट बुक की पिक एक बार भेज देना क्योंकि मेरे में भी नहीं है.
Speak loudly. You are not audible. Quickly.
Prions are not there in my textbooks. So can
Prions?
you send prions topic?
I will send the pic.
Okay.
Ayushi, switch on your video fast. Okay. So next, last topic of this chapter, lichens. Lichen is a combination, okay, of algae and fungi. Lichen is a combination of algae and fungi. We have learned this thing in fungi part, symbiotic fungi. Remember? Symbiotic fungi, in that I have explained that. So, you know this, right? अभी तो आपको ये पता है, you are aware about this term, Ascocarp, Ascomycetes में ऐसे होता. Now, some of the fungi that makes or that shows association with algae. See, अब fungus के जो ये hyphae है, in between, if you can make out greenish color structure, they are algae. right? Now they both see over here in magnifying form. कि outside पे fungus है, यहाँ पे green algae है, right? So algal cell and the fungal hyphae both shows the association with each other, both get the benefit from each other, they live together and form a new organism that we call lichen. So lichen is equal to fungus plus algae. Both are present in a same organism. Now algae, you know, greenish in color, see over here. So it can prepare their own food. And fungus hyphae एक्चुअली उसके पिक्यूलरिटी होते, फंगस कैन इजीली ग्रो. आप देखो स्किन के ऊपर भी फंगल इन्फेक्शन होता है ना, सो इट कैन, अगर आप ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करोगे, राइट, सो विद इन अ फ्यू डेज इट कैन कवर द मोर एरिया. ऐसा ऑब्जर्व किया है? विद इन अ फ्यू डेज इट कैन कवर द मोर एरिया. इट कैन इजीली स्प्रेड, फास्टर स्प्रेडर. So fungus hyphae grow faster and absorb more and more nutrients from the soil, and that nutrients it give to the algae, and algae in response to that prepare the food for this fungus, right? So algae plus fungi, remember fungi absorb more and more water and minerals from the soil, give it to the algae. Algae in response to that form food for fungus. So both the organisms get benefit from each other. That kind of relationship or interaction we call symbiotic or symbiosis, or as we call mutualism. Right? Next, so lichens are symbionts, that is mutually useful association between algae and fungi. In that algal component we call algal component, remember that we call phycobiont. And study of algae we call phycology. Okay, so phycobiont. And fungus component, study of fungus, remember mycology, study of fungus, mycology. So that name given mycobiont. So phycobiont plus mycobiont makes a lichen. Algal component we call phycobiont, fungal component we call mycobiont, and together we call they are lichen. Algae prepares food for fungi. Fungi provides shelter and absorb minerals, nutrients for algae. If you can just see this picture one more time. फंगल हाइफे के बीच में ये algae रह रहे, देखो, between fungal hyphae algae can live. So fungal hyphae gives shelter as well as mineral and waters. यहाँ पे भी देखो फंगल हाइफे उसके लिए जैसे होम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, एंड उसके बीच में देखो algae can live easily, right? So fungi provide shelter and absorb mineral nutrients for algae. Lichens are of three types according to the appearance, कि उसका appearance कैसा होता है. See in these three forms. First, see these two forms. They are same or different? Appearance wise, they are different, right? So this one, it's a crust. आप stone को, okay, when we take a stone, okay, and just rub it with sandpaper or anything, so crust-like structure is coming out. So same structure appearance of this lichen. That's why the name given crustose. That's why the name given crustose. Then next type of lichen, that if you can make out, ये leaf जैसा दिखता है आपको, second one कि leaf है, right? So leaf को foliage बोलता है in botany. So that's why the term given foliose. Second type of lichen that we call foliose. First crustose, second foliose. And third one, see this type of lichen. Okay, on which the fruiting bodies are formed. Fruiting body structures are formed. This reddish color, see. So name given fruticose. That name given fruticose. So one crust-like, so crustose. Other second leaf-like, so foliose. And third fruiting body, so we call fruticose. Examples of lichen: Usnea, Parmelia. Usnea and Parmelia are two examples of lichen. And now remember this line, which is very, very important in lichen. आपके पास अगर एक, okay, we have two areas, A and B. B1, that is polluted one. B is a polluted